Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video we will talking about how to turn on RCS on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So guys, in the fact, iPhone doesn't support RCS. Why? Because Apple uses iMessage instead of RCS. iMessage has similar features like high quality media sharing and read receipts, but it's exclusive to iPhones. So when iPhone users text Android users, it falls back to regular SMS and MMS. So if you're looking for RCS like a features when messaging Android users, the easiest solution is to use a closed platform app like WhatsApp or Telegram or Signal. So this app works seamlessly on both iPhones and Androids. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.